In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new exercise in Fitbod. So the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to your workout. So go to the workout tab at the bottom left, and then here you want to scroll down to the bottom of your workout where it says add exercise and click on that. Now in here, you want to go to the search button up top right, and you want to search for the exercise you would actually like to create. So of course, if you want to create a new exercise, then it shouldn't be on the list of exercises inside Fitbod. So I'm just going to type in something random. I'm gonna do kettlebell and then jump. Okay, let's see if that exists. Well, it doesn't. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. Now you want to click on create new exercise, and then when you do that here, it's going to give it a name automatically. So it's going to be the name that actually you wrote in the search box. You want to click on next. Then you have to select your primary muscle. So for me, it's going to be lower body and it's going to be quadriceps, and I'm going to do next. And then here you have to select the secondary muscles as well. So I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to do glutes, hamstrings, calves, and I'm going to also do abductors and adductors over here. And I'm going to click on next. Then you have to add on what type of exercise it's going to be. So it could only be, of course, reps or timed. So if it's reps, you could go ahead and add weights or body weight. And then you have timed, which is with weights or body weight. So I'm going to make this with weights over here because it's going to have kettlebells. And I'm going to click on next. And then here you could do if you want it to be unilateral or bilateral, which means basically one side or both sides at a time. So I'm going to do both sides because I'm going to do a double-legged jump. And I'm going to click on next. And then here it says how many weights. I'm going to do 2 weights, so 1 per arm or leg, and then next. And then here you want to select your equipment. You have a bunch of different equipment here. I'm going to just select the kettlebell here, and I'm going to click on done. And then it's going to give you kind of a review of everything. If everything still looks good, click on create at the bottom. It's going to create your exercise over here. Then you can just go ahead and click on it. And when you click on it, it's going to allow you to click on add one exercise at the bottom. And that will basically add it onto your workout. So that's how to achieve it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.